Okay. Well, we're always interested, of course, in bringing you creative solutions to solve operational challenges that you may have on the shop floor. Well, in that light, we wanted to call special attention to the short article, 1-Point Lesson Plans, which was written by William Brum, that appeared in Tuesday's issue of Quality Digest Daily. Quality Digest, you'll see it right there. Well, as its name would imply, the 1-Point Lesson Plan is a quick and simple tool, and it's intended to help share basic information about a machine or a process, procedure, whatever it may be. By its very design, the 1-Point Lesson Plan is also really visual in nature, and the article offers an example from Brum's very own company, Butler Automatic Inc. And Butler Automatic Inc. is an interesting little company. They're a manufacturer of equipment allowing the easy splicing of individual rolls of material, such as that used for like pouches or shrink sleeve packaging. A lot of food packaging is done through these rollers. And basically, they splice together these materials, and that's what Butler does. Well, as you can see from the image, and this is an image that was in the article itself, and there's the image right there. It's a little small, but you can kind of make it out. A 1-Point Lesson Plan is ideal for something like, in this case, a core adapter inspection. Those are those two, the white and the black rolls that you see there. This document contains clear images of the part or the parts, the visuality there. It also gives a quick overview of how the process is intended to function, and some general signs. You can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 down there. Some general signs of wear that you would need to be aware of to indicate that the part needs to be replaced. And finally, at the bottom of the form, there's a training record indicating when the process was demonstrated, by whom, and then you can see that right at the bottom there, so you can kind of keep a track of that. Well, the key idea here is that the work instruction is broken down to its most basic component, and it's visual. Anyone can tell at a glance what the process is all about and what to look out for in managing it. And there's nothing extraneous or overly complicated here. It's just the basic facts needed to keep the process, the machine running smoothly. And that's a really good lesson, I think, because many times we make things really difficult and complex on the shop floor. We know this, and it really doesn't need to be that way. That we kind of forget the importance of visuality and the idea that you want to be able to see something right away and understand what it's intended to do. And if it's not working, not functioning properly, you want to understand how you can correct it really quickly. That little one-step lesson plan really gives that to you very, very basically.
And that goes with the product?
It goes right there on the floor. So right where that is in that particular workstation, there'll be that visual poster where somebody can walk by and see what it is. And you can do that on your first day of the job. It's so simple that you can understand right away what that thing's intended to do, and if it's not working properly, how you can improve it.
And nobody likes to read a lot of text, so they just boil it down to almost bullet points. What you need,
right there. And then it also has, again, at the very bottom, little hash marks where you can say when somebody was trained on it, who the trainer was. So if it's not working properly or something needs to be gone back to the person who trained on it, you need to maybe do a little work inspection on that. You can do that right there as well. Really useful little tool there. Really kind of cool little article.